Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Chin. Happy birthday.
Ay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. So, Mami, blow the candle of parents po and make a wish. Alright, palakpakan naman po natin si Baby Terence. So, Mami, ano po ang wishes natin for Baby Terence?
Good health, always.
Ayan, good health always. How about yung mga titos and titas natin? Si Mami.
Lola.
Sana mapagtapos siya ng pag-aaral. Love you. Maging mabait na bata.
Wow. How about si Mami?
Same din, good health.
Ayan, good health and maging mabait. How about si Tito?
Lumaking mabait na bata.
Ayan, lumaking mabait na bata. Meron pa po ba?
Si
How about
Owa.
si Lola?
Lola, yay!
But before mag-wish si Lola, it's time for us to say bye-bye to Chicky Boy now. Bye-bye, Chicky Boy! Bye-bye! See you again!
Oh, Migbag, bye-bye! Migbag, oh, bye-bye, oh.
Bye-bye na Kuya Mix. Bye-bye na Kuya Mix. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Alright, how about si Lola? Lola, dito pa tayo.
One,